flights booked, dream vacation confirmed, and somehow you have never felt more lost in your life. Because now you have to figure out what to actually do in Tokyo. In this video, I'm going to show you the absolute best guided tours in Tokyo for the first time visitors, and honestly which ones are worth every yen and which ones you can safely skip. Tokyo is famous for its bustling neighborhoods like Shibuya and Shinjuku, world-class dining, unique pop culture, fashion-forward districts, efficient transit, and historic temples. Here's the thing about Tokyo that nobody tells you before you arrive. It's enormous and extraordinary, so it gets genuinely difficult to navigate if you don't speak Japanese. But the subway map that looks manageable on your phone becomes something entirely different when you are jet-lagged, standing in Shinjuku station with 40 exits and other people behind you. This is where a guided tour earns its price, not just as sightseeing but as an unlock. And it's totally worth it to have someone local showing you around on your first day, so you can learn little tricks. Tour 1. Customized Tokyo Private Tour. Now, if it's your first time in Tokyo and you want someone to just handle everything, this one is for you. It's a 12-hour privileged walking tour with a local guide, completely customized around what you want to see. The default itinerary takes you through Sensoji Temple, Asakusa, and several other highlights. But here's what makes it different from a standard group tour. You can reshape entire day around your interests before you even arrive. Beyond the sightseeing, your guide will show you how to actually navigate Tokyo. The metro system, the unwritten rules, the little things that take most first-timers 3 days to figure out on their own. Hotel pickup is included, so your day starts from the moment you walk out the door. One traveler put it better than I ever could. Would highly recommend this tour with tuck. Honest note, meals and some entrance fees are not included in the price, so factor that into your day's budget. Not a deal breaker, just worth knowing before you book. I've linked this tour in the description. It books up fast. The second one on the list is Shinjuku Food Tour. Shinjuku is a food lover's paradise, but knowing where to eat takes serious research. This tour skips all of that. A local guide takes you to 4 spots: a street stall, an izakaya, a traditional eatery, and a gastro bar, where you'll try 13 dishes and 2 drinks, all included. One traveler said, "Very good tour. Our guide May was excellent. It's a 3-hour one. Except for summer days, this tour is a good one." Mount Fuji Hakone Day Tour. You can't leave Japan without seeing Mount Fuji, period. Now, if you are traveling solo or with a couple of friends, the public bus tour is your best bet, and around $160 per person. You ride up to the 5th station, enjoy a buffet lunch at the base of Fuji, then glide over Hakone on a sky gondola, cruise Lake Ashi, and ride the bullet train back to Tokyo in one day. One traveler put it perfectly. The food was outstanding, the weather was beautiful. Traveling as a family or a group of 5, split the private tour at $511 for the whole group, and you have basically got a personal chauffeur through one of Japan's most iconic landscape. Flexible itinerary, no strangers, your own pace. Links to both are in the description. Here is something most tourists completely miss: a live sumo show in Shinjuku. For just $78, you get skip the line entry, a live bilingual host walking you through the rules and rituals, a photo session with the actual wrestlers, Shinjuku bar hopping, Tokyo after dark is a whole different city, and Shinjuku's back alleys. They are a kind of thing travel vlogs can't capture. This 3-hour bar hopping tour takes you through 2 hidden alleyways, 3 izakaya bars, authentic street food, drinks included, and a guide who makes sure you never commit an etiquette mistake. Full dinner included. This one sells out. Link in the description. This one's for the car people. If you have ever watched Tokyo Drift and thought, I need to be there, this 4-hour night tour is your answer. Rainbow Bridge, Tokyo Bay, the legendary Daikoku parking area, the heartbeat of JDM culture. And then you are behind the wheels of a Nissan Skyline GTR or a Mitsubishi Lancer on open Japanese roads at night. Rated 4.6 stars, one reviewer called it absolutely amazing. Want to escape the city entirely? The Nikko Day Trips is 11 hours of pure contrast. The sacred Shinkyo Bridge, the UNESCO-listed Toshogu Shrine, Kegyon Waterfalls, and Lake Chuzenzi. History and nature, no subway stress. Fair warning, reviews are mixed. If you are visiting during Golden Week, skip it. But on a quiet day, stunning. Links below. Imperial Palace Walking Tour. For the history lovers, this 2-hour walking tour through the Imperial Palace East Gardens is one of the Tokyo's most underrated experiences. You are walking the grounds of the former Edo Castle, learning about the Imperial family with a guide, no buses, no rush, just Tokyo's real soul. Okutama Nature Tour. Most first-time visitors never leave the neon, but Tokyo has mountains, rivers, and forest trails just outside the city, and this Okutama small group tour takes you there. Hike scenic trails, breathe actual fresh air, and enjoy kamameshi picnic lunch. One traveler called it absolutely the best day in Japan so far. Perfect for couples, solo travelers, or anyone who just needs to exhale. Sake tasting. 2 hours, 6 types of sake minimum, a certified sake sommelier, and snacks perfectly paired to each one. This intimate tasting session is where you go from tourists to informed traveler. One guest sample 11 varieties in a group of just 4 people. Kimono Tea Ceremony. This is the one everyone comes to Japan wanting to do but never books. Don't be that person. The Kimono Tea Ceremony at Asakusa, Mikoya. 90 minutes. You dress in an authentic kimono with a professional assistant. Learn to prepare matcha the traditional way and share the moment in a small, intimate group. Morning and afternoon slots available. Dress as a samurai and learn sword technique from teachers who have literally appeared in Japanese films and dramas. Then stage a full sword fight. Same day booking is available. Tokyo rewards the people who plan. Every single tour on this list has a link in the description. Go check them out. Read the reviews and lock in the ones that match your trip. And if you found this helpful, subscribe because we are covering every major city in Japan. See you on the next one. Goodbye.